Here are the 3 best window air conditioners, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But most buyers grab whatever fits the window, then get a loud box that chills the wrong room. The fix isn't just more BTU, it's room size, compressor style, and install pain. A small room wants control, a big room wants capacity, and a tough install punishes clever designs. Let's move. Number 3. Frigidaire FHWC054TE1. If you're cooling one small bedroom or office, I'd put this on the short list before the bigger bruisers. It's the simple pick for basic window A/C cooling, not a whole apartment hero. The proof is the smaller capacity class, 5000 BTU/HR, which belongs in tighter spaces where oversized cooling gets annoying. You also get a remote control and a dehumidification-only setting, so the controls aren't totally bare bones. But the trade-off is baked in. It's a non-inverter unit, so don't expect the smoother feel of the Midea. I'd skip it for a large room, for inverter efficiency, or for a sunny window where the display needs to stay readable. Number 2. Hisense AW1422CW1W. Need to cool a larger living room instead of babying a bedroom? I'd look here if capacity matters more than polish. Its headline is Big Room Muscle, 14,000 BTU/HR, so it makes sense for open areas where a small unit would just run and complain. The cabinet is also fairly deep at 56 centimeters, which matters if your window area is cramped. Now the trade-off. This uses a non-inverter compressor, so comfort control is less graceful than the Midea. It's also loud for quiet spaces, 59 dBA on the lowest fan speed. I'd skip it near a bed, near a TV, or in a small room. Number 1. Midea U-Shaped MAW12V1QWT. This is the one I'd buy for a larger room where noise, control, and daily convenience all matter. It lands in the sweet spot, 12,000 BTU/HR with an inverter compressor, so it's built for steadier output instead of blunt on-off cycling. You also get app control through the Midea Air app, plus Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support. The U-shaped design is the real lifestyle move, because the window can still partially open while the unit stays installed. But that's also the catch. I'd expect a more involved setup than a conventional box. Skip it if you're installing alone, fighting a tight window, or cooling one small enclosed bedroom. Here's the clean split. Pick Frigidaire for a smaller room and simpler controls. Pick Hisense when the space is bigger and noise isn't the main problem. Pick Midea when you want the best balance, strong capacity, inverter control, smart features, and that less boxed-in window setup. Before buying, match the BTU class to your actual room, confirm your window can handle the install, and decide how much noise you'll tolerate. Prices and filters change, so check before you buy. So I'd go Frigidaire for a small room, Hisense for big room value, and Midea for the one I'd actually live with. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.